John Kyle Ephraim B. Pino, 19 years of age, BS Criminology 1B. The top he is wearing is made out of old compact disc cut into pieces and served as a detail of his black long sleeve. He chose to wear this kind of clothes because he wanted to be simple. For him, black is the perfect color for simplicity and elegance at the same time.